So we have completed most of the replacement of the bricks. We need to fill in some areas like over here with some more sand, but we're trying to again make sure that it eases down and connects. So we took all of these bricks out, as you can see. I tried to set them up so that we can put them back the way they were. But Jermaine is figuring out a plan. I'm going to go in and dig out those weeds in between and just clean that all up right there. But these are some of the damaged bricks, the eroded bricks that we were able to replace with these square tiles. So we're not throwing anything away, we're going to save them. And yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Here's our little wash basin, so we just spray those off, clean them up, and stick them right back in the dirt. And I think we have, see how much sand we got left. It's a little bit in there. And we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of sand. Nope, 7, there's one over there. And it's supposed to, it might rain today between 5 and 6, so we're trying to get everything done before 5, which we should be able to. And it may rain Wednesday and Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we should have a lot of sun. So we can put the polymetric sand down on Friday, and then it'll have 3 days to bask in the sun. All right, let me get back to helping. Stay tuned. Hello, it's a great day in Orangeburg. Today we are continuing our project. Today is Thursday. We're continuing our project with the walkway. We have completed halfway one walkway. We just have to put the polymetric sand on top. And now today we are going to start this one. We have about 16, maybe 15 bags of sand, and we just got everything set up, and so we are going to work until it is finished. We have rain today, and we should have the next 3 to 4 days of dry weather. So today we are going to complete our project. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hello, it's a great day in Orangeburg. Today we are finally hoping to complete our project. So yesterday, after we finished the pavement over there, it rained, and so we didn't get to set it. But today we have allowed the bricks to dry out from the rain. We did cover it, but you know. So today we're going to set it. So get to see the process. You want me to get you a mask?
No.
It's a little dusty.
I get the blower, we're both gonna need masks.
So we're not sure how many buckets we need. This is like 40 pounds. So it looks like cement. Just brush it in. Do you think we should add a little more right here? I don't know if we could scoop it up for them.
No, let's just add the water.
Like right there. Yeah, that's where the biggest gaps are. But maybe the thing will make it set. The water. So this is how it's coming out. Now we have to wet it. Back and forth. You have to put it on the shower setting and make sure that the water absorbs into the sand really well.
And the other two, let it sit.
Okay.
See where we stand. look at it. Seeing it all clean, it's like, okay.
Yeah. Like you don't want any pooling, so that.
Oh, like over here, the white.
Yeah, so don't spray that anymore. Yeah, we're not used to seeing it this clean.
Make sure nobody walks near the front door the next two or 3 days.
All right, so there you have it. We estimate we bought about 34 bags of sand, and then we bought about 10 buckets of polymetric sand. So the bags of sand from Lowe's is about $3.48, I think, a bag, something like that. And then these pavers, how much are those pavers?
$4 a piece.
Yeah, like $4 a piece. We got 8. And then the polymetric sand was about $21. I want to get this up off of the thing. This little piece right here, babe. All right. So, yeah, I asked my husband if somebody asked him to do this, how much would he charge? And he said about $3,000. So I said, okay, we just saved us a lot of money then. So, what do you think? How do you think it came out? You happy with the results?
All the weeds are gone.
Yeah.
I mean, keep in mind, it's not totally level. Like, we didn't level it completely and do this and that. It's basically utilizing, for the most part, all the same bricks, taking it out, putting fresh sand and fresh paver,
Yeah.
and place it back in. So
You might have to go over it with some more water.
yeah,
I see some dry crevices.
let me just do it again now.
Yeah. Don't pool it. Just keep moving. Yeah, but you're pooling. You see how it's sudsing up? You're pooling it. You're just supposed to take light showers across it. Only reason why I know this is because I read the box. So I'm no expert. I'm just going by what the box said. See right here? It's a little dry. Right here.
Where?
This one. There you go. Okay. Alright. I think the reason why you don't want it to pool is because you don't want that film on your bricks. That's why you don't want it to
Have you seen our bricks?
just don't let it pool. Just keep spraying it. Yeah, there you go. Lightly spray. Keep moving it. That's good.
Alright, let's pack it up.
But this is our project. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.